We're eating breakfast. We're about to board the plane in like an hour. And then we have a 10-hour flight. Because whose idea was it to go to Hawaii, bro? Ew. Wow. Come here, babe. Wow. Do it again, you have to run.
Okay, it's recording. Show the view, show the view.
Hey, we're in hula hula hula. Hula-hini, poo-poo water. Oh, the difference between this and this is insane.
Hini.
Hi. We're in a Supra in Hawaii. Okay, we have to update because we haven't taken any videos. Yesterday I was a crybaby yesterday and I didn't want to do anything. So now we're happy and now we're going to the garden and then we're gonna swim in the waterfall and then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow.
We're at the garden and there's no flowers.
Botanical grass.
Botanical grass and botanical trees and botanical mountain. The mountain is nice though.
What's that cliff there?
That's cool. You can. Holy moly! This is your first shave ice. Did you taste it yet? Take a bite. It's good. I'm excited to eat this. I got raspberry. I don't even remember what the orange is. There wasn't much to do at the garden besides walk around in the grass and look at the mountain. So.
Botanical grass.
We're bad vloggers.
We don't vlog anything.
We just had musubi
And oguri.
and oguris,
We're going to
onigiri.
Kiki Beach.
Yeah, now we're going to Waikiki Beach. And we're gonna try to see the statue, right? That's what you want to do?
Yep.
He wants to kiss the statue.
And then we're
We're at the beach.
going back to Luna
Just to get that Maui Wowie. That Maui Wowie.
These waves are OD.
Yeah, these
holy
waves
mackerel.
are crazy.
Bro, we're Waikiki Beach. The water came all the way up here. Let's see what all this yap is about. Hey, holy mackerel! Are you ready?
Holy mackerel!
Holy mackerel! Are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Holy mackerel!
Holy mackerel! But one thing about me and Gabe, we love playing mermaid. Mermaid.
Oh wait, there's a shell right here. There's something.
A shark?
A shell.
Oh, go. What the fuck? Hey!
You're mine now, buddy.
Buddy. Holy mackerel! Holy mackerel, holy mackerel, holy mackerel, holy mackerel, holy mackerel.
Holy mackerel.
No, that's not the one. That's the one.
Holy mackerel. Oh no.
No. My sunglasses.
Are you serious? I dropped my face every time.
They were seeing.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Jump. Little fairy jump.
Ow, ow.
Should I run? Gabe's birthday is tonight. Well, it's right now in New York, but in Hawaii, it's not 12 yet, but here's what I did. Lilo and Stitch is his favorite, so I found this one because we just had to throw away his childhood Stitch, so I got him a new one. Got him his little Sopranos Kith lighter, Kith shirt, and then I love this. So he's in the bathroom, so I'm gonna surprise him. Oh. Sorry, he's naked. We're going to see some sharks. We're going to see some sharks. We're going to see some sharks, and I'm gonna get eaten by a shark. Shuffle. Chelsea. We're about to swim with the shark.
She came out all by herself from LA. Oh, you're like signed up before it was canceled. Oh.
At least you're pretty. Look at the puppy, look at the puppy.
So, where are we?
Waterfalls Botanical Garden.
We finally made it to a real botanical garden with real flowers and actual plants. Look. Holy.
Look.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Off the tree like her.
Holy. We did the shark and I threw up all over off the boat.
Fed the sharks.
I fed the sharks mango margarita from last night. but I didn't pussy out, so I actually swim with the sharks.
After she did it, she like.
Yeah, now I'm proud that I actually went through with it. But we're walking to the waterfall and we're gonna swim. Ooh.
This is cold. Come, babe.
It's deep?
No, I'm standing right now. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not done.
Come on. All right. Let's go.
We're on the deep end, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't feel cool.
Just kick backwards. This is easy. So easy. Light work, no reaction. Light work, no reaction. Raw.
Think I just break my shit?
So you just gonna break my shit? So you gonna just break my shit?
We're going all the way to the waterfall. My legs are cramping up. This water is 30 feet deep. I'm not going anywhere.
Let it loose. Let it go so loose. It broke my shit.
It broke our shit. Live from Hawaii. The waterfall broke our shit. What? It took us like 30 minutes to get over here. And my legs are cramping. Climb up. And jump.
I told you. My feet are killing me.
Our feet are so fucked right now.
They're destroyed.
If we do, I make we soft.
Our snorkeling got canceled. Our snorkeling got canceled.
We're going back to the waterfall.
Back to the waterfall. The waterfall was too fun. UTV. We're in Kualua Ranch and we're gonna do ATV in the, UTV in the Jurassic Park. Step on it, step on it. How are you feeling? Are they going slow, bro?
They're going 3 miles per hour.
So nice. Bro, this is so steep.
I'm actually scared.
Oh my god. Look at my poncho.
That's my arm, my boo.
We're leaving Heaney. We're leaving Hawaii. We're so sad. He's sad. And he cried this morning. He cried so hard that I had to hug him and rock him back and forth on my lap.